All right. Happy, what day is it, guys? Crap. Wednesday. Yeah, I'm losing track of the days here, guys. Happy Wednesday. We have to break down a couple of earnings in this video. I think Uber, we got Disney, we're going to cover some other ones as well. And we'll break down the indexes, stocks in general, what's going on with a couple stocks I own that are selling off right now. So a lot of stuff in this video that we have to cover, guys. So hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You guys see right here, you get 5 free stocks. And once you deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, totaling 30 stocks. And your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. What are you waiting for? Check out the link down below. The clock's ticking, or go to stocks-surfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. Take a sip of the coffee as well while you're at it, and let's get into it. So at this point, guys, we're selling off pretty much across the board except for the Russell. The Russell 2000 is up 0.25%, and we have the Dow down roughly the same, 0.25%. Well, I guess not the same, but in the other direction, right? Dow's down about a quarter. The S&P's down about 0.4 to 0.5% in that ballpark. You guys see right here, and QQQ is getting hit the most, right? Down just over 0.5% after Google reported earnings, and well, their stock's dumping. Now Google, we'll talk more about that in a couple of minutes, but now Google is down about 7-8%. Tesla's down about 2.3%. Apple's down 1.6%. Looks like here other big tech names, Microsoft down about 0.5%. So not much red for Microsoft, but overall, Google is bringing down QQQ and the S&P, right? And we got a couple earnings this morning. Let's go over Uber. I'm pretty sure they reported. Let's take a look here, guys. Oh, yeah, they're down 7% right now, guys. Dumping pretty aggressively. The stock's trading in the mid-high 64s right now. So Uber reported earnings, and man, their stock was at $70, $71 right before the earnings came out. And, well, we are free falling now. So Uber reported Q4 sales of $12 billion. That beat the $11.77 billion expected. So that's good. Where's their EPS? EPS. Where are you now? Come on. Let's see here, guys. Looks like earnings per share came in at... Where is it? Why is it not here? Am I blind? Maybe I'm missing it. Oh, here it is. $3.21 of EPS. Not sure what the estimate was on that, but it looks like they see Q1 adjusted EBITDA of $1, or not $1, but 1.79 to $1.89 billion. All right, looks like trips averaged about 33 million a day. Oh my goodness, guys. That is insane. Q4 mobility gross bookings up 18%. That's good, man. Delivery gross bookings crossed the quarterly $20 billion mark for the first time. Oh, man. That's nuts. And it looks like Q4 monthly active platform consumers, 171 million. So Uber, guys, they're still growing pretty nicely. But the stock is not loving it for some reason here. Maybe I'm missing it, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes, because we are selling off, but at the same time, we are technically holding a higher low. You guys see that trend line I just drew, but on top of that, we do have lower highs being made as well. So we have a wedge on Uber. And the million-dollar question, guys, is will we break under this wedge, which obviously would be bearish, right? Or do we end up ripping out of here, breaking the wedge, and going a lot higher? I don't know. We'll see. I think earnings were solid. We'll see if buyers come in here. I think there's a decent chance that happens. Just let the dust settle. That's what I'm doing, letting the dust settle, and we'll see where it goes. So that's Uber. Disney is another one. I'm pretty sure their earnings came out. Looks like Disney stock is down about 1% right now. Nothing crazy, but it looks like it shot up earlier. Oh, man, talk about volatility, guys. So earnings came out. We shot up to 118, got back down to 111, back to 118 right as the market opened, and now we're back to 112 about 45 minutes after the market opened. So this thing is all over the place. Adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.76 versus $1.45 expected. That beat nicely. And revenue looks like beat as well, $24.7 billion versus $24.62 billion expected. So a double beat out of Walt Disney. Pretty good there, guys. Let's see. I want to see more about Disney Plus, all that stuff. Oh, let's come down here and see. So experiences revenue, $9.42 billion. All right. It looks like in Q1 we saw outstanding box office performance from our studios, which had the top 3 movies of 2024. Finally, Disney's starting to go back in the right direction with their movies, right? There was a period there where the numbers were awful, right? Now they're starting to turn around, get a lot better. Very good news there, guys. I'm liking that. Looks like here Walt Disney sees India business contributing $9 million to sports segment. All right, pretty negligible. But that's versus the $636 million loss in the prior year. Oh, my gosh, guys. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Looks like they see 6 to 8% segment operating income growth for experiences for full year 25. All right. Where's Disney Plus? I'm not seeing anything here. Q1 sports revenue, $4.85 billion. Total Hulu paid subscribers, 53.6 million. They saw a modest decline, in Disney Plus subscribers in Q2 versus Q1. Disney Plus paid subscribers at 124.6 million. All right, not bad. Pretty good, right? It looks like entertainment segments. Q1 content sales, licensing, and other operating income rose to $312 million, driven by performance of Moana 2, which I saw Moana. Oh my gosh, Moana 2. I saw that movie, guys, and I thought the first one was better. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. But I thought Moana 1 was better than Moana 2. It is what it is. That's just my opinion. But yeah, Disney's taking a haircut intraday. We're down about 5-6% off that 118 high from earlier, just like 30 minutes ago. And overall, guys, this thing is fighting to hold trend. We do have a bit of a wedge similar to Uber, although Disney looks a lot better on the charts than Uber, I would say. But let's see. I think it'd be ideal if we held 110, 112, started to push up, from there, maybe towards 115, 20. If we broke out of there, that'd be perfect. So that's DIS, Disney. I think we also had NVO report earnings today. Novo Nordisk. You guys probably remember or know about this company, right? The stock has not been doing well as of late. It is down about 43% from the all-time high after it saw a ridiculous rally for a couple of years. You guys know about Ozempic, right? Novo Nordisk. Yeah, they're, all on Ozempic. That's where I'm pretty sure that's the first company that brought Ozempic, right? Or that Ozempic is from this company, and we got all the other versions of it from other companies, whatever. But there was a huge rush in the stock. Now it's dumping like crazy. Earnings came out today, or was it yesterday actually? Or wait, did they not come out yet? No, they did come out. Yeah. Wait, it might have been yesterday. Why are they not here? It looks like, I know this is in a different currency, but we'll say dollars here. $6.34 EPS, it looks like here, which beat the $5.82. Looks like revenue, $85.68 billion, whatever currency that is, versus $79.73 billion. So double beat there. And it looks like here, Novo Nordisk sales beat estimates, but the story wasn't Ozempic. Yeah. I mean, clearly the story is dying off a little bit here. The stock's down 50% for Pete's sake. But who knows? Maybe this ends up being a nice, juicy buying opportunity. We shall see. So Google, let's take a look quickly at Google here, guys. It's down $20 now, 8.5% in the red today, down about 10% from all-time highs. And honestly, man, that's not that bad, right? It's not a big deal in my opinion. We literally hit all-time highs after the earnings came out, it looks like here, right? But now we're just dumping off. And the trend is holding. I wouldn't be surprised, guys, if we did get buyers to come in at about 185, 190. I would not be surprised if that were the case. We've held this trend, this channel for months. If we did fall through that point, though, we could be slipping further, no doubt. But as of now, I'm thinking we hold that level, and I'm thinking about buying more shares myself, just dollar cost averaging into my position. As you guys know, I'm long Google. I have been for, years at this point. A good 5 years. It's got to be 4 or 5 years, 6 years. I forget. It's been a while. But, yeah, I tend to buy it on dips. So I bought more a couple months ago. I'm considering doing that now as well here. And I'll do an update video. Of course, all you guys on my Patreon, when I buy stocks in the portfolio, real time. That is linked down below, by the way. Go check out, join the Patreon if you're interested, guys. And, that's pretty much it for this video. We're going to wrap it up. Make sure to smash the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And, oh, by the way, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1%. APY, guys, get on it. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.